Sabi ni Lily, it takes hours to let a tree grow.
Wait, in a minute?
Years, anak.
Oh, years. I don't know. That's fine. Stop it. Stop.
Okay.
It takes hours to let a tree grow.
Stop.
Don't embarrass. Ayan. Oo, pangit 'di ba pag may araw, oh.
Guess what?
Hindi siya ganong kaano. Unlike yung low light lang, ang ganda.
Matatakpan naman yun ang ulam.
Mm-mm. Grabe.
Is that laughing or crying?
Bubali.
That's a lot of trees.
Boom, 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 boom.
Imagine, nakala mo tuloy-tuloy ang ulan, no? Makisama.
That's lots of trees.
Lord, you're so no.
Sabi ni Lord, sige na nga, pagbibigyan ko